When you are floating in the water and the water is in the right temperature, not too cold and not too warm, you relax and you hear the half of the world above your ears, the birds and everything, and half of the world beneath your ears, the water in the pool. And you can enjoy the atmosphere of the Galilee, and the reason that lots of people are coming to live in the Galilee, and the reason that Jesus has his peace in the Galilee is from the quiet, and you can listen to yourself inside yourself. I'm enjoying when I'm seeing families come and enjoy the place and use the place, and when children run and scream and enjoy, this is like music for me. This is a very, very quiet area, and you hear the nature. You can hear the nature outside your window. You can hear it. We try to think of all the little things that would make the vacation comfortable. And most of the people notice this. This used to be my home. It's like I organized for me. It's giving a warm atmosphere and people feel like at home when they come there. Actually, people, when they come here, have two choices. They can order home-cooked food and accept it to the villa. We make sure that it arrives to the villa. You can also bring your own chef to the villa. We had families that ordered the chef for 2-3 days there in the same place. He's cooking the food, he's making them dinner, he brings even the wine, he brings everything. The other option is then when you make your own food. And for that we have a very nice supermarket in the Moshav, open from 7 o'clock in the morning to 9:30 in the evening, throughout all the day. You do not have to carry anything from far distance. You can actually buy each day what you need for the same day without stuffing the refrigerator and without carrying stuff. And they can bring it to you after you visit there once. You just order, they bring it to the villa.